Akiaria ari bururi-ini wa China kuria atongoretie ajumbe a kuma guku bururi-ini, Minista wa mathako wa Babu na Mwamba ni ahithuritie mihang'o ya guthondekwo kwa iharo cia Nyayo, Kasarani na Kip Keino ukwambiriria mweri-ini wa 11 na ni thutha wa ndundu ya maminista kuhitukia gwakwo kwa iharo icio na igakorwo ineanitwo moko-ini ma mbiraru. Gukiri uguo bururi urahitaitanira gukana tabania igongona ria kuhurithia mwaki mbitika cia AFCON cia 2027 kana kuhaririria ngucanio ya finals na mabururi ma Uganda na Tanzania, undu uria CS Ababu oigite ni itua ria CAF.
I don't expect any challenge. People are asking, so who will host the opening ceremony?
Yes.
So who will host the final?
Yes.
So who will host the headquarters? So who will host the draw? Okay. I can assure you that we will agree. The way we agreed to put together a winning bid jointly, we will agree to share those responsibilities. We believe that we will sit down, we will assess the capabilities of every capital, and at the end of the day, remember this is a CAF event, so CAF makes the final call on the basis of many metrics. So we believe that based on the metrics that we will make objective decisions. Who is capable to do what and what works best where.
Waki wa kiharo gia Talanta kiria kiri na uhoti wa gukua mashabiki 60,000 ugitanywo kwambiriria mbere ya tutirihite mwaka uyu. Guku arugamiriri a CAF magitanywo guthurima mihang'o ya waki mwaka-ini wa 2025.
And hide the fact that our sporting infrastructure is in tatters. Total tatters. We've not made any serious investment in our sporting infrastructure for years. The last time we invested anything serious in infrastructure sport-wise is 40 years ago. Nyayo Stadium 83, Kasarani 87. That is 40 years ago. So it's about time we made some serious investment, and we are ready to do that. We have redesigned Kasarani, we have redesigned Nyayo, we have redesigned Kipchoge Keino Stadium.
Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.